angels. Well, guys, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Yes, my angels, I just came in to have a little lunch with you guys. That's gonna be having for lunch and have a little chat with you guys over here. Yeah, I hope you can see good what I'm having, and you can guess what I have. What do you think I'm having here? You probably guessed it right. Yeah, peanut butter. Hold on, so you can see there. Yeah, you guys, I just want you to see everything over here. Okay, maybe I have to move this a little. There you go, guys. Can you see everything? I mean, everything. I'm gonna put this up a little tiny bit, because this thing be messing. I want to show you everything except what I'm having, okay? That's what it's trying to do. So my angels, I'm gonna have my peanut butter sandwich, and I'm gonna have some blueberries, and then yeah, you can see the time, right? It's gonna be 12 o'clock. And then I'm gonna have some coffee that I had from my Dunkin' Donut, extra coffee I had, okay, the leftover anyways. And here I'm gonna have some water. And yes, hope everyone is having an amazing day, a great day, my angels. Oh, look how toasted. I love my bread. So excuse my nails, I have to redo my nails again. Look at this side is a little not that toasted. The toasted was in the inside. You good. My angels. Yesterday, the day before yesterday, remember I had told you the inspections were coming. Nobody showed up. No one showed up. I was home all day, and my sister also. Nobody showed up in her apartment either. So yesterday, I had another paper on my door stating that they were coming that day, which was yesterday. Guys, let me tell you. Sorry, I'm hungry. Same thing. Nothing. Nada. Nobody showed up. What is this, a game? I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I'm glad there wasn't a paper today. Because I had things to do today. I wasn't here. This has the nuts. I love this one, the crunchy one. I have my peanut butter practically every day. If I don't have it with my bread, I have it with the celery or um yeah, with the celery and the broccoli. Most of the time I like to have it with my bread, but practically every day. Let me tell you. It's a beautiful day today. It's nice and sunny. I love my blueberries. Hope you guys are having a great lunch. Bon appetit to everyone who's eating. As you can see, I have some stuff that's already packed up. I'm just waiting for them to let me know. And that's it. I'll be leaving soon from here. But I already want to see my new apartment. I love when you move to a new apartment. It's like I feel like a new start, refreshing, you know. It's very nice. It's a good feeling. I want to start doing some exercises. See my treadmill over there? Yeah, it's waiting for me. It's been waiting for me. I put it in my room, and I still. Look at that girl. Put on it. Yeah. Yeah, so I put it in my room and I don't use it. But I shall be soon. Exercise is very important, not only for your looks, but for your health. And walking is definitely a big plus. It's good for your heart and for everything. Guys, I love walking, but I'd rather walk out there. I don't mind walking, for an hour out there, as long as I have somebody to walk with, because I hate walking by myself. I don't like walking by myself. I like to walk with someone talking, you know, or something. It's definitely more enjoyable. You walk, you know, walking with someone pleasant, talking, conversating. It's awesome. Thank you, Lord. That was great. Agua. Salud, guys. Okay, my angels. That's the little chat I wanted to have, guys, you know, because I like to speak to somebody while I eat. Somebody was cooking. Thank you guys as always. I hope you guys have an amazing day. A blessed one. Great meal. Awesome, my angels. Please be good, be safe, my angels. Be blessed and stay blessed, my angels. I'll see you in my next, my angels. Bye. Bye.